electronic device to count it all. While the new £4.5 million steel London Bridge is still under construction, the old stone one, built in 1831, is finally disappearing. Demolition squads are busy breaking up the remaining stonework. In their day, the Romans put wooden bridges across the Thames, but times change. This new London Bridge has to be strong enough to cope with 20,000 pedestrians and 2,500 vehicles an hour. After sawing the material into manageable sizes, the workmen sling the blocks into waiting river barges. While the remaining parts of old London Bridge were being broken up, 10,246 pieces of it had been reunited on the other side of the Atlantic. It took British builders 3 years to reassemble the many thousand parts of the transplanted bridge. Old London Bridge now lies across a diverted part of the Colorado River in the heart of the Arizona desert. The new owner, oil millionaire Robert McCulloch, who bought the bridge for an estimated £1 million, had invited London's Lord Mayor, Sir Peter Studd, to attend the opening ceremony. He brought with him some of the pomp and circumstance of oldie England. Lorne Greene was just one of many show business guests. The governor of Arizona joined the Lord Mayor for the official opening. With the opening fanfare, a huge hot air balloon wearing the colours of the Union Jack rose into the clear desert sky. 30,000 smaller balloons and hundreds of pigeons followed in its wake. The crowd of 50,000 watched a team of skydivers plunge toward them. Altogether, it was an occasion full of good, clean fun, Anglo-American friendship, and real American hospitality. Apparently somewhat shrunk now against its vast desert setting, the bridge's 1,000-foot span is to be the centrepiece of a new town development and tourist centre. Burnt-out homes and shops and factories are becoming the dominant feature of Ulster's urban landscape. Bombings in the province are now an everyday occurrence, and the long-term dangers to Ulster's economy are becoming all too clear to industrialists and trade unionists alike. Army patrols keep constant watch on border roads, but with 200 unapproved roads, their task's almost impossible. To ease the problem, the Army have gone ahead with a plan to blow up some 50 unapproved roads in a bid to halt the illegal traffic of explosives. If business confidence in Ulster's economy is to be fully restored, then the current wave of explosive violence must be halted. Britain's newest motorway, the Yorkshire Lancashire M62, forges an important new link in our motorway system. The new road provides direct access across the rugged Pennine chain at altitudes up to 1,200 feet. Communications along the route are first class, and special facilities are available to combat the severe Pennine winters. And there's plenty of heavy equipment to get things moving. A giant silo holds 3,000 tons of salt and grit ready to deal with icy surfaces. There to greet Her Majesty the Queen as she arrived to carry out the official opening was the Lord Lieutenant, the Right Honourable Lord Clitheroe. After meeting local dignitaries, Her Majesty was invited to unveil plaques commemorating the inauguration. 8-year-old Abigail Lumbey, daughter of the chairman of Lancashire County Council, presented the Queen with a bouquet. After farewells, Her Majesty drove back along the new motorway. Started in 1968, much of it had been blasted through solid rock. Throughout its length, the road has been carefully designed to merge into the landscape. It now provides safe and rapid road travel between the heavily populated industrial areas of Yorkshire and Lancashire. Crime in Britain is on the increase, hence the need for new prisons. The cost of building is also increasing, and at Ashwell Open Prison in Rutland, prisoners are being put to good use as part of a plan to save the taxpayer £500,000. The prisoners are being trained in building skills by prison staff so that they can help build